Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Number 1. Genetically modified microorganism used successfully in bioremediation of oil spills is a species of Trichoderma, Bacillus, Xanthomonas, Pseudomonas. Genetically modified microorganism used for bioremediation of oil spills. Correct answer is option D. It is a species of Pseudomonas. Question number 2. Restriction enzymes, option A, are present in bacteria and are involved in host restriction system. Option B, cleave viral DNA inside bacteria. Option C, are enzymes involved in defense against bacteriophage. Or option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these define restriction enzymes. Question number 3. Two bacteria found useful in genetic engineering experiments: Nitrobacter and Azotobacter, Rhizobium and Diplococcus, Nitrosomonas and Klebsiella, or Escherichia and Agrobacterium. Two bacteria found useful in genetic engineering experiments. Correct answer is option D, Escherichia and Agrobacterium. Question number 4. The DNA molecule to which the gene of interest is integrated for cloning is called as carrier, transformer, vector, or option D, none of these. DNA molecule to which gene of interest is integrated for cloning. Correct answer is it is called as option C, vector. Question 5. What is true for monoclonal antibodies? These antibodies are obtained from one parent and for one antigen. Option B. These are obtained from many parents and for many antigens. Option C. These are obtained from different parents and for one antigen. Or option D. These are obtained from one parent and are for many antigens. True for monoclonal antibodies. The correct answer is option C. Monoclonal antibodies are obtained from different parents, but they act against a single antigen. Question number 6. Who discovered restriction enzymes? Watson and Crick, Jacob and Monod, Nathan, Erbo and Smith, Boyer and Cohen. Who discovered restriction enzyme? Correct answer is option C. Nathan, Erbo and Smith discovered the restriction enzyme. Question number 7. In tissue culture medium, the embryoid formed from pollen grain is due to organogenesis, cellular totipotency, double fertilization, test tube culture. We are talking about tissue culture medium. Embryoid formed from pollen grain is due to. The correct answer is option B. It is due to cellular totipotency. Question number 8. In order to produce virus-free plant through tissue culture, the best method is meristem culture, protoplast culture, anther culture, or embryo rescue. In order to produce virus-free plants from tissue culture, the best method is. The correct answer is option A, meristem culture. Why so? Because meristem is a continuously dividing tissue, so the new cells are kept producing over there and these new cells are free of virus. So if you carry out a meristem culture, new cells would be used which do not contain virus and the plant thus produced would be virus free. Question number 9. Maximum application of animal cell culture technology today is in production of insulin, interferons, edible proteins, or vaccines. The correct answer is option D. Today, the maximum application of cell culture technology is used in production of vaccines. Question number 10. Probiotics are cancer-inducing microbes, safe antibiotics, new king of food allergens, living microbial food supplements. What are probiotics? The correct answer is option D. live microbial food supplements. And why are they given? To improve the flora of the gut. Question number 11. Technique of obtaining large number of plantlets by tissue culture method is called as plantlet culture, micropropagation, organ culture, macropropagation. Technique of obtaining large number of plantlets by tissue culture method is. The correct answer is option B, micropropagation. Question number 12. The mechanism of intake of DNA fragments from the surrounding medium of the cell is called as transformation, transduction, both A and B, transformation and transduction, or option D, conjugation. The correct answer is option A, that is transformation. What is transduction? When it is transferred through bacteriophage. What is conjugation? When the two cells combine through sex pili to exchange their genetic material. Question number 13. DNA fingerprinting refers to techniques used for identification of fingerprints of individual, molecular analysis of profiles of DNA of different individuals, analysis of DNA sample using imperative techniques, or option D, technique used for molecular analysis of different samples of DNA. The correct answer is option B. It is the molecular analysis of profile of DNA of different individuals. Question number 14. Restriction enzymes capable of making internal cuts in a DNA molecule is called restriction exonuclease, restriction endonuclease, both A and B, or option D, S1 nuclease. Internal cuts in a DNA molecule is made by which restriction enzyme? The correct answer is option B, restriction endonucleases. Question number 15. Golden rice is a transgenic crop of future with the following improvement trait. Which of the following trait is improved in golden rice? Insect resistance, high protein content, high vitamin A content, or option D, high lysine content? The correct answer is option C, high vitamin A content. Because of the presence of the carotene, the golden rice appears golden in color. That's how it got its name. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time, with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.